Well, it's very normal for teens to have mood swings because there's a lot of hormones going on, their bodies are changing, their life is changing, and they're individuating from their parents. What does that mean? That means that they are becoming adults. They're not adults yet, but they're becoming adults. And it's confusing. What am I in charge of? What can I be in control of? And sometimes it's hard to know. Parents are needing to shift at the same time, and sometimes it's hard for them to shift. So you see the mood swings because they want to be in charge. They want to feel like they're in control of something in their lives. And they are not in control of their bodies. Their bodies are changing. They're not so much in control of what's going on at school all the time. So it can be a little disconcerting for them. And they want so much to figure out, where am I going? Who am I? When their identity is going all over the place. Who are my friends? There's a lot of unknowns. When can it end? Some might say never. Some might say at the end of the teen years. But this often continues on into the 20s because the children are still growing and developing. It's not just when 19 becomes 20, all of a sudden it stops. But it does dissipate. As children become adults, they become more responsible, they have more life experiences, they become more grateful for what they have, and they have some good perspective. They understand that they are in control of their moods, they are in control of their emotions, and they can speak to people in ways that gets their point across without being rude or demanding. And we have to help them to be able to do that. So while the mood swings are going on and you're pulling your hair out, understand this does dissipate. It may not end completely, but it does dissipate as the teen years go on, and these teens realize that their parents are pretty cool people.